The Michelle and Caesar Show.
Featuring Michaela.
Featuring Mishasha. Hello. Our experiment today will be the Elephant Toothpaste. And this is our ingredients.
Warm water.
Hydrogen peroxide.
Food coloring.
Yeast.
Dish soap.
A spoon in a bowl. Bowl.
Can you see it?
Can you see the spoon?
Can you see it?
The
Can you
food
see it?
coloring.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Okay, so we're going to dump the hydrogen peroxide, half a cup, into this water bottle. Take your time.
Don't slap my back.
Okay, we have hydrogen peroxide here, and we're going to add 8 to 10 drops of food coloring into the bottle.
One, two, stop.
2.
Three.
Oh. Hold on. Okay. 4, 5. 6.
Can we put one in?
And 8.
Okay. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, this thing right here, into the bottle, and mix the solution and swish it around.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna get 3 tablespoons of warm water.
1. Dose. Slightly more than 3.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your yeast. Disgusting.
Having a little trouble with your
Nope. You're gonna wanna mix it with your water.
Keep it after a week.
Put it in there. Start shaking. Start shaking. You mix the yeast with the water. Take out any large lumps. In which this case we don't have any, so
So we did it
There
great.
it is right here.
Showed on
On your
Michelle, I
spoon.
did it perfect. Hydrogen peroxide naturally breaks down into water and oxygen.
You can speed up the process by adding the catalyst, which is the yeast.
and since hydrogen peroxide releases a lot of oxygen in the presence of detergent, then that means that bubbles form